10 exercises that can help you improve posture. Having good posture is an important attribute for each lady because it helps them to look beautiful and elegant. It is also indicates your health condition, including spine health and healthy blood circulation. We often lead a sedentary lifestyle, and it affects our spine. The lack of activity causes diseases such as scoliosis, visual impairment, circulatory disorders of the brain, and fatigue. These diseases are very dangerous to your life. That is why good posture is a healthy back. You need to take care of your health and lead an active lifestyle to make your life full of happy moments, true emotions, and unexpected miracles. We would like to share these best exercises that will relax your spine muscles and improve your posture with you. Perform them regularly to notice the desired result. Welcome to Natural Health Plus. Before going forward, we request you to kindly subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any of our videos. So let's start. Number 1. Pilate swimming. Lay down flat on your stomach with your arms up over your head. Raise your lower legs and upper body up off the ground. Only your thighs and abs should be touching the ground. Now pulse your arms and legs up and down. Number 2. Glute kickback. Position yourself on the ground, supporting yourself on your hands and knees. Push your left foot back. Brace your core and maintain a flat back as you kick your left leg back and up. Slowly return your leg to the starting position, not allowing the knee to touch the ground. Number 3. Bicycle. Lie on your back on an exercise mat, keeping your lower back pressed against the mat. Gently support your neck by bracing your hands against the back of your head. Lift your upper body off the mat while bringing your knees to up above your torso and keeping your legs parallel to the floor. Extend your right leg straight out without letting it touch the floor. Using your abdominals, crunch upwards and sideways, extending your right elbow to your left knee. Number 4. Side plank hip lift. Lay down on your side so that only your forearm and the side of your foot are touching the ground. Make your body into a straight line, side plank position. Bend at the waist and lower your hip towards the ground, and then back up again. Number 5. Crunch. Lie down on the floor. Your back should be flat and your knees bent at an approximately 60-degree angle. Keeping your feet flat on the floor, cross your wrists over your chest. This is the starting position. Bring your upper body up so that your shoulder blades are just off the floor and your body forms a C shape. Exhale as you do so and hold the contraction for a second. Number 6. Up, down, down, elbow push-up. Start with your palms and feet touching the floor and your body in a straight line, push-up position. Lift your right hand off the ground and then place your right forearm on the ground where your hand just was. Do the same with your left arm. Number 7. Modified push-ups. Come to the ground on your knees. Tighten your core and maintain a flat back. Position your hands on the ground in front of you, directly below your shoulders. Cross your feet in the back. Bend your elbows at a 60-degree angle until your chest is just above the ground. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, and please share this with your friends and family. And let us know what you think in the comments section below. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Before leaving us, kindly check out our these cool videos. Goodbye.